Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to lip sync videos in HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and open the video project you want to work with. Next, upload your video or start a new project with an AI avatar. Make sure the video has clear facial visibility and good quality audio for better synchronization. After adding your video or avatar, add the speech or voice track you want to use. You can enter a script and select an AI voice, or use the available audio options supported by your project. Now look for the lip synchronization feature in the editing or video generation options. Select the appropriate settings and make sure the correct language and voice are selected. Before generating the final video, preview the project. Watch the avatar or speaker carefully and check whether the mouth movements match the spoken words naturally. If the synchronization doesn't look right, adjust the script, audio, or available settings and preview the video again. Once you're satisfied with the result, generate the video and wait for HeyGen to finish processing. After processing is complete, watch the final video from beginning to end.